This neck massager uses electric pulses to stimulate the muscle to help it relax. I use it when I wake up with a stiff and sore neck after sleeping weird, and it really just helps the whole area to relax and recover a little bit faster. It has these two metal tabs that you put on your neck, and then you long press to turn it on, and then it goes all the way up to the setting of 9, and you can even use it with a heat mode. I usually use it around level 4, and then it'll automatically turn off after 15 minutes. You're able to tighten it, which means it's easy to use while you're doing other things around the house, and it'll stay in place. It comes with a manual, which will walk you through some of the modes, but I have to say it was a little bit hard to understand, but you can get by without it. And then it also comes with a charge cable, which is a micro USB. It comes in a nice box, so it'd even make a really great gift. I would definitely recommend not wearing a necklace while using it, as that can kind of interfere with the electric pulses.